Question number 4 is relating to the factory overhead departmentalization or FOH absorption costing. Andrea owns a business manufacturing bicycle. The business operates two production departments, machining and assembly, and two service departments, stores and maintenance. The following information is available for one bicycle: direct material 45.60, direct labor machining $10 per hour and 30 minutes, direct labor assembly 12 per $12 per hour 105 minutes, machine hours machining 20 minutes, machine hours assembly 15 minutes. Total budgeted overheads for the year ended 31st August 2023 are as follows: indirect wages 4,20,000, factory rent and rates 30,000, machine overheads 22,000. Production department and services department data is given. Floor space square meters 4,000 for machine, 5,600 for assembly, stores 1,800, maintenance 600, number of orders from stores 2,100, assembly 1,600, and maintenance 500. Maintenance call outs 210, assembly 40, budgeted direct labor hours 22,200, assembly 77700, budgeted machine hours 34,300, and for assembly 25,700. Number of indirect employees: machining 4, assembly 12, stores 2, maintenance 2. Machine overheads are absorbed on the basis of machine hours. Complete the table to show the apportionment of the budgeted overheads for the year ended 31st August 2023. First of all, we have to distribute indirect wages 4,20,000. On the indirect wages are distributed on the basis of number of indirect employees, which are 4, 12, 2 and 2. Ratio total is 20. So the cost will be distributed 4 upon 20 multiplied by 420,000, which will be 84,000. In the same way, 252,000, 42,000 and 42,000. Factory rent on the area basis 10,000, 14,000, 4,500 and 1,500. Machine overheads distributed on machine hour basis 127, 12577, 12577, 9423, 9423. Total will be 43,500, 46,500, 275,423, 275,423, 106,577. Then we will be distributing stores 46,500 into the other departments. 5536 17714 23250, and then total will be 49036. It will be nil 293137 and 129827. Then 036. We will close the maintenance department, and its cost will be apportioned on the machining and assembly, which will be 41190 and 7846. Total will be 171017 300983. Then rate will be calculated. Overhead absorption rate of machining department will be 171017. On machine hours, total machine hours are 34,300 machine hours, so the rate will be 4.99 per machine hour. And overhead absorption rate for assembly department will be 300983 divided by 77700. Labor hours is equal to 3.87 per labor hour. Now we will calculate the rate, overhead absorption rates. Part C is related to the underabsorbed or overabsorbed. Actual overheads of machine and assembly. Machine are given 226,952, and these are given 267,465, and absorbed will be on the basis of actual hours, which will be 44120 multiply the 4.99. This means 220159. And assembly on the basis of direct labor hours 72580 multiply by 3.87 will be 280,885. So underabsorbed is 6793 is underabsorbed, and 420 is overhead loss. Andrea has been approached by a new customers wishing to make a special order for 120 bicycles with modification to the customer's own specification in order to complete the order. The following would apply for the manufacturing of one bicycle. The total material cost would increase by 30%. The direct labor hours in the machinery department would increase by 50%, and an additional 15 minutes of direct labor hours would be required in the assembly department due to workers in the assembly department already working at full capacity. These workers would have to work overtime to complete the order at a premium of 25% on the usual direct labor rate. Calculate the direct labor cost of producing one bicycle for the special order. As we know, direct costs are direct material and direct labor. So the direct material will be 45.60, which is 30% increasing. So it will be 59.28, and direct labor for machining department will be 0.50 hours multiplied by 1.50 because its time is increasing. So then it will be multiplied with the rate. The total will be 7.50. For assembly department, total minutes will be 120 minutes upon 60, 20 upon 60 multiplied by 12, so it will be 24, and premium will be given on the normal wages of 0.25. It will be 6. So the direct cost will be total 96.78. In order to remain competitive, Andreas wishes to achieve a 30% gross profit margin on all work. Prepare a statement to show the total selling price that Andreas should quote to the customer in order to achieve a 30% gross profit margin on the order. As we know, direct cost is 96.78. Overheads will be overheads of machining will be applied 20 upon 60 multiplied by 4.99 on the machine hour basis 1.66, and for assembly it will be 2 hours multiplied by 3.87, which will be 7.74. So the total cost will be 106.18, which is one bicycle cost plus markup. 30% was margin, so markup will be 30 upon 70 into 106.18, which will be 45.51. So it will be 151.69 is the selling price of one bicycle. Total bicycles 120. So the total invoice price will be 18203.